Hi guys, today we're going to make something really fun. Captain Crunch shrimp on a stick. Let me show you how to do it. It's really fun. Okay, we're going to use the deep fryer today. I'm using the Hamilton Beach small deep fryer, nice and convenient in the kitchen. Has a basket. Right now I'm warming up the oil inside the deep fryer to get ready for this recipe. Alright, I bought a 2-pound bag of easy peel shell on shrimp, and these are extra jumbo and they're raw. I thawed out about a pound. There's 16 shrimp to a pound, so it's a nice size shrimp for this recipe. Right now I have them thawing out and I'm going to take the shells off. I'll show you. Alright, here's the shrimp I have with the easy peel shells. You can see they're already deveined and the shrimp shells are loosened up. So it's a nice way to buy them because sometimes you might want to cook a few things in the shell in this recipe, and you can go either way with this. Take the shell off and pull the tail off. That's how we're going to prepare to get these ready. Aren't they a nice size? Wow, I got these at ShopRite. Okay, I'll get the whole pound ready. We'll be right back. Alright, here's the rest. All set. Don't they look nice? I bought some chopsticks to use for this project. These are bamboo chopsticks. They have a square shape, so I thought that would hold the shrimp on there better. Alright, so let's get them ready to use as skewers. You can also use regular barbecue skewers, but I didn't want the shrimp to twist as I put it in the deep fryer. Now we're going to have some things to dip it in. So I'm going to get the Captain Crunch ready first. Alright, I'm going to pour some into a baggie and we're going to crush it that way. Now, Rick is my assistant today, so he's going to crush this up for us. Find a way. In the meantime, I'm going to make a little sauce that we're going to pour on top of this. I'm going to use 2 unlikely ingredients. Hey, you doing okay back there? You doing okay back there? Okay. While he's crushing the Captain Crunch, I'm going to use some apricot preserves and some sriracha sauce together to make a sauce that we're going to put on this after it's done. Alright, let's mix these up a little bit. He's still banging on that Captain Crunch back there. A little apricot preserves and a little sriracha. Just use as much as you like to have in your flavoring. But it's a nice sweet and hot combination. And I'm going to just spurtle it up here. So it's nice and smooth. Can you see that real good? There's the Captain Crunch. Okay. We'll put that to the side. In the meantime, we have a plate with some flour, and we're going to put an egg on the next plate to dip. Okay, we have a little egg beaten up in a cup. Here, I'm going to pour it on a plate. We're going to dip the shrimp in that. And then Rick just had a good idea here.
Proceed.
To put the shrimp in the bag to shake it up. If I can get the stick in there, I will. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Can you see okay? Alright, we're going to take the shrimp and we're going to skewer it. We want to make sure it goes through the fat part and catches the small part as well. And we're just going to stack up a few because of having a small deep fryer. We have to make sure they're near the end. It's going to be like a popsicle.
A shrimp kebab.
Shrimp kebab. They're nice. What do you think? Should we put 4 on there? Let's try 4. They will shrink a little bit too, you know that. Alright, now see, by having the square stick, they're not going to spin around. It's nice and sturdy. Like it. Alright, let's skewer them off first and then we'll dip and dunk and fry real fast. Alright, now I skewered all the shrimp onto this chopsticks, all ready to go. Let's get it going here. We're going to dip it in the flour just to make a little bit of a crunchy surface. From there, it goes into the egg wash. Alright, after that, Captain Crunch dip. I'm just going to fluff it around because it's kind of fragile. So we want to make sure that some of this crunchiness sticks to the shrimp. That's where we're going to get the sweet flavor. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Just need a little bit more on the end. Alright, take a look at that. I'm going to put it right in the fryer basket. Alright, we'll do that with all of them here. A little bit of flour, a little bit of egg, a little bit messy, a little bit of Captain Crunch, and we're ready for the fryer basket. And the oil's nice and hot and ready to go. Okay, some nice shrimp, a little flour, little egg, and then a little Captain Crunch. You ever seen anything like this before? Get that one in the basket. One more. A little flour. Little egg. On all sides. And a little Captain Crunch. Alright, doesn't that look nice and crunchy? Let's get it in the basket and we'll get it going. Alright, let's lower it into the hot oil. We're going to turn them over while it's cooking a little bit. I'm just turning these shrimp over to make sure that they get nicely done here. Now come in, look. Look how nice and brown they're getting with that Captain Crunch. Wow, they look great. Make sure they all get down there under the oil. Nice. Check that out. Our reverse swan, so they're nice deep fry going on there. All right, we'll be back when I get them out. Alright, I'm going to start taking these out. Oops, look how nice they look. Is that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's put on a paper towel to dry the oil. Alright, here they come. Here they come. A little crunchy shrimp on a stick. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my god. Isn't that great? I'm going to pour the sauce in this nice little serving dish. that we're going to drizzle on that when we eat it. In the meantime, the oil's still hot. I'm going to make a couple pierogies and then come back in my next video and we'll sit down and eat this. Okay? But if you'd like to try this recipe, go for it. Captain Crunch. It's just smells good, looks good. It's got to be good. But give it a try. All right, come and check the next video then.